Oh, great! I didn't find any children over this time. Oi, let's check out the server room here, shall we? Oh, server's a bit cheesy here. Cheese and crackers! Yum! There's a spider on the roof! Oh, and there's someone at the door! Let's see. Excuse me, sir. Wait, I'm kind of tired right now. Could you come back later? I'm just gonna take a nap right here. Gromit. Cheese and crackers, Gromit.
Hello there.
What?
Hey there, Wallace. I'd like to play a game.
What kind of game do you want to play?
Get the hell up right now. I swear, if you speak one more time.
Well, my bad, friend. I'm sorry to offend you.
Oh yes, I've seen how badly you've been treated, you and dog, and how you only care about cheese. What I plan to do is stop you from eating any more cheese, except the crave cheese in front of you. You must know your baller is hooked up to 2 car batteries. If you do not eat the cheese, however, if you eat the cheese in 1 minute,
1,000 million gazillion trillion thousand volts of electricity will course through your ball.
Wagwan Ted, you sussy jungus. I hope you have a pog birthday.
Oh, blimey, mate,
Remember,
you might want to get Spotify
Brexit
Premium. It stops the ads.
bad, as I was saying. You want another ad? Oh, for heaven's sake! Listen here, no! You, listen here, boss!
Want a break from the ads? If you
Blimey, mate, looks like he's having problems. Well, now is he gone? Let's see what this door does. Is that an eldritch horror outside the door? I'm alright, thanks.
ads, if you tap now to watch a short video, you'll receive 30 minutes of ad-free music.
I got the box down. Oh, is that Mr. Jigsaw?
Wagwan Ted, you
Want a break
sussy
from the
jungus.
ads? If you tap now to watch a short...
Oh, that cheese smells. Nah, I'm getting some of that. Wallace is coming in. Oh, cheese!
I think this. You are dying today, Wallace. Remember, kids, don't get AIDS.
Jump off. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching terrible stuff.
Thank you for watching.
This has been Black Hole Gamer 9 and Random Alien.
Crackhead animations going out with a bang. Something. Hurry up. Shoot them. Make them explode. Thank you for watching our.